Maritza. Again, I am a sophomore at Drexel University. I'm working with ArtSphere as an assistant art teacher to bring you guys virtual literacy through art programs. The past two workshops have been Easter cards and a fun pencil cup, and today we're going to be doing bookmarks. Origami corner bookmarks that look like this. You put them over the corner of a book. They look really fun and cute, and you can design them however you want. You can see I made a little alien. He was supposed to be Scully from Monsters, Inc., but it didn't really work out like that. Here's an owl. I made Harry Potter because I'm rereading one of my favorite Harry Potter books, The Prisoner of Azkaban. Made a little snake. There are a bunch of different options for you guys to make, but before I go into that, I'm going to tell you what materials you need and how to make them. So the first thing you're going to need is origami paper if you have it, which is nice because it's already in a square and we need the paper to be square for you guys to make the cards correctly. So origami paper if you have it, but if you don't, that's not a problem. You can use regular construction paper. You need a glue stick, scissors, and I like to have a black Sharpie just in case, so you can draw on eyes or whatever else you want. So, first thing that you need to do to fold is, I'm going to make an orange bookmark. And obviously this is not a square. I'm going to show you guys how to fold it to be a perfect square so you can use these to make the bookmarks. I know you can't see what I'm doing right now, but I will show you in just a second. What you're going to do is take the paper facing like this and fold it over. Take this edge and fold it up until it meets the long edge of the paper, and you're going to fold so that it looks like this. And now what you're going to do is you have a couple of extra inches here at the top, and you're going to cut that off. And once you cut it off and unfold it, you're left with a square, and then you can get started on making the bookmark. So I cut it, and if I unfold it, it's a regular square. So what you're going to do now is take your square and fold it like this. What you're going to do next is take the two corners and fold it up so that you make a little diamond shape. Like this. So you guys see how I did that? You take one of these little corners, fold it up to the top, and the other one, and do the same. And then what you're going to do is unfold the two flaps that you just folded. Fold this corner down. Like this. Down like this. And what you're going to do is take this, fold it back up, and then fold it into the pocket that you just made. So like that. Again, I know, I'm sorry, it's hard for you guys to see what I'm doing with my hands, but that's the best I can do for live. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it again. You have this. You're going to take one of the sides and fold it into this little pocket. And you're going to do the same for the other side. So you end up like this. And that's all of the folding that you need to do. So now you have a bookmark that can go over the corner of a book. I can show you. I brought my Harry Potter book with me. And just when you're done reading, you put the bookmark over the corner of the page like this. So now what you want to do is take your folded bookmark and decorate it however you want. As I showed you guys earlier, I don't know if you saw it or not, I'll show you again. You can make things like owls. You can make little aliens. I made a snake. And like I said before, I am rereading Harry Potter, so I made a bookmark specific for the book that I was reading because that just makes it more fun. You know, his glasses and his scar. And now it fits perfectly with my Harry Potter book. Just gonna see. So, how I decorated these was I took, you know, scraps of construction paper or whatever and cut little shapes. The only thing that I drew on these bookmarks were the eyes because I thought that would be really hard to cut out of construction paper. That's why I suggest that you have a marker just to color the eyes or whatever. Drew the eyes on this one too. But otherwise, I just cut things out of construction paper. This is construction paper, the eyes are construction paper, and the fangs are construction paper. Just cut out appropriate sized pieces of construction paper and glue it onto your bookmarks. Just remember that when you're cutting something, you need to be able to glue it underneath. I don't know, can you guys see that? Yeah. Just make them a little bit longer so you have space to glue them. Yeah. Those are all my instructions for you guys. I will post written instructions and pictures of the steps if you guys need it for folding on the ArtSphere blog. You can look up Origami bookmark corners, or you can find the lesson plan under the Educational Resources tab or ASI Videos tab. I will be doing another Literacy Through Art virtual class on Wednesday at 1:30 on Facebook Live. I will be doing these classes Wednesday and Friday 1:30 to 2 for the next couple of weeks while you guys are stuck at home and need stuff to do. So tune in on Wednesday. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. And leave pictures of your bookmarks on the blog if you guys like. Thank you for watching.